Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Emily with CabinetNow.com. Today I'll be going over a few myths about cabinetry. I know that if you're unfamiliar with cabinet terms, that a kitchen remodel can feel a bit intimidating. I'm here to help make this process easier. So let's get started. Number 1, I have to hire a professional to build my cabinet boxes. This is actually false. Modern assembly methods mean that the average homeowner can assemble their own cabinets. This can mean big savings, as the cost of labor can be a large portion of your budget. If you don't believe me, check out our assembly videos to see just how easy it can be. Number 2, homeowners need to hire a kitchen designer. There are tons of free tools you can use online to plan your next kitchen remodel. Just check out our article of our 10 favorite free programs that you can use today to design your own kitchen. Some of these programs also allow you to design a whole house, inside and out. Even if you plan to hire professional help to design your kitchen, creating a few designs on your own can help you get an idea of how the process works and what you're wanting in your design. Number 3, style is the most important factor. This is probably the biggest myth on our list today. While style is an important factor in your design, you should prioritize functionality. If you're unable to comfortably use your kitchen, then you will be less likely to want to cook and use that space. This means even the most beautiful kitchen can sit idle if it is not designed with a focus on functionality. Number 4, I can't afford solid wood cabinets. While they are more expensive than engineered materials, solid wood cabinets can be found for affordable prices. One way to make the process more budget-friendly is to choose to reface your cabinets rather than to replace them all. Refacing is the process of replacing just your cabinet doors and drawer fronts. It may also require you to refinish your cabinet boxes so that they match the new doors and drawers. Plus, if you take on this project yourself, you can extend the savings. I hope that you have found this video helpful and are now more confident to take on that kitchen remodel. And remember, if you have any questions, feel free to chat, call, or leave us a comment below. We're always happy to help. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more cabinetry trends.